couple had embarked Annie and Clarabelle, and Thomas set off to the big station. Annie and Clarabelle were in tears.
You can't be sold, they clattered. Thomas was very unsettled that night as he pulled into the sheds. He pulled alongside Edward. Him and the other engines could see it, that he was sad.
"Cheer up, little Thomas," said Gordon. "What's the matter?"
"I've met a couple," cried Thomas, "and they want to buy me and sell me at a holiday park in Yorkshire." The others were shocked to hear what Thomas had said.
"Oh, we can't have that,"
gasped Gordon. "And without Thomas, we'd all be shipped away and sold as well, and the railway won't run without us," said Henry with worry. But Edward reassured them.
Sir Topham Hatt would never do such thing. After all, somebody needs to run the Farquhar branch line.
Inside the coach shed, Annie and Clarabelle sniffed quietly. The next morning the news was around, and on the main line and branch line all the station staff were worried about the rumour of Thomas being sold. As Thomas pulled into the junction, the station master walked up to him. "Sir Topham Hatt would like to have a word with you at that front station." "Oh no, they've done it. I'm now going to be sold into a holiday park," puffed Thomas sadly as he went to turn around. As Thomas arrived at the big station, he was surprised to see the amount of people waiting for him on the platform. Sir Topham Hatt was talking to the couple. "Do not look so worried," said the controller. "I have no intention to sell my number one blue engine, Thomas." After Sir Topham Hatt had said that, everyone was happy. The couple came up and explained to Thomas. "Thomas, I'm very sorry that I wanted to purchase you. Your controller then told us that you are needed here, so we won't purchase you ever again." "Oh, thank you," replied Thomas. And then he puffed on. And from that day on, Sir Topham Hatt was always right. "Thank you for telling me that story, Thomas. I was wrong. I knew I shouldn't be worried. Sir Topham Hatt knows that I'm always needed here, on this railway." The next morning, Toby met the person from the museum at the top station. He apologised to him and explained about Thomas's story. The museum man accepted his apology and never again purchased Toby.